Hi friends, welcome to new video tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss the basics of HTML. What is HTML? HTML is the language in which most websites are written, or we can say that HTML is used for creating web pages. HTML first developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 and HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext means that the document contains links that allow the reader to jump to other places in the document or to another document. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. It describes the structure of a web page, and HTML consists of a series of elements or tags. That's why HTML is known as markup language. And HTML elements tell the browser how to display the contents. Now, what is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. Most of the HTML tags must be opened and closed. Here is the structure of an HTML element. Start tag, then we can write the contents, and we must write the end tag. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. Here is a syntax for writing the declaration. Doc type declaration specifies the language we will write on the page. The start tag in an HTML element is also known as the opening tag, and the end tag is also known as the closing tag. The HTML document itself begins with the opening HTML tag and ends with the closing HTML tag. The visible part of the HTML document is in between the opening and closing body tag. Body tag is used for defining the document's body. It contains all the contents of an HTML document, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. Then we are moving to HTML tags and attributes. What is HTML tags? An HTML tag is a special word or letter surrounded by angle brackets. Here is an example of a tag. This opening and closing H1 tags are used for providing first level headings in our HTML documents. Then the next one is attributes. Attributes contain additional pieces of information. Attributes take the form of an opening tag and additional info is placed inside the tag. The img tag is used for adding an image into our HTML document. Here in this tag, the src and alt are the attributes. The src source attribute is used for providing the source of the image, and the alt is used for providing the alternative text for the image. Coming to basic structure of an HTML document. Every HTML document must begin with the doc type declaration. Doc type declaration is used to specify what type of document it is. And this, the doc type declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. Next is the opening HTML tag. It is the root element. An HTML document is mainly divided into two parts, that is, the head and the body. Head contains information about the HTML document's title and metadata, and body contains everything that we want to display on the page. Remember one thing, most of the HTML tags contains both the opening and closing tags. When using multiple tags, tags must be closed in the order in which they were opened. This slide shows a sample program which prints a heading and a paragraph. First line is the doc type declaration which states that it is an HTML5 document. Then we need to open the HTML tag. Inside the opening and closing of HTML tags, there are two sections, the header part and the body part. Header part contains the title and other meta informations. We can provide the title for the web page inside the opening and closing title tags. So the header part is over. Next is the body part, which contains everything we want to display on the page. In this program, inside the opening and closing body tags, there are two tags. They are H1 and P. H1 tag is used for printing the heading. There are 6 levels of headings in HTML, and H1 is used to define the most important heading and H6 is used to define the least important heading. Here we are using H1 tag, which is for printing a heading, and next tag is the P tag. P tag is used for printing a paragraph in our document. Once again, thanks for watching the tutorial. Please like and subscribe my channel.